Guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another holiday Christmas makeup look for you guys. This one is a little bit more dramatic with the dark green on the outer corner. So I'm going to show you how to apply that for deep set eyes and other makeup that we add to create this makeup look. I'm going to bring you guys to the natural light so you can see kind of what it looks like away from the ring light. I like to do that with my makeup looks because it gives you a better idea how it's going to look when you're looking at yourself. So if you guys would like to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. So this is how it looks in the natural light. It's a little different than the ring light. It's a little bit softer, as you can see, but really pretty pairing of the colors all together. So yeah, this is how the makeup looks in the natural light. All right, so we're gonna do another festive holiday Christmas eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go in with my Adept Heather Austin collaboration palette. This has the perfect Christmas green in it, the perfect forest green, and we are going to create a fun little Christmas look. So I'm gonna start off with the shade Magnolia, which is this matte forest green color, and it's always good, especially with deep set eyes, to start off with your darkest shades first so you can kind of work with them. If you have to clean them up, you can do that and it won't mess up your eye look if you've put everything down and then you go in with the dark and it's not blending out right. It's just, it can get messy. So I'm gonna go and use my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush. I love this for dark colors. I'm gonna dip into that color. I'm going to tilt my head back a bit. See how I'm getting more of a flat surface? This is good for deep set eyes and dark shades. And I'm just going to start placing that just above the crease. And we might have to pop it in that corner there, following the shape of the eye, like that. Because sometimes that spot can hide. So kind of just hug it around like that. So it's just one of those snowy, icy, yucky days that you just want to lay in bed and watch Christmas movies. So I've been putting those on so you can see, get that nice shape on the outer corner of the eye and no mess in there. And that's going to keep our lid space nice and big. And we're going to just keep this color really close to the crease and to the outside of the eye. You can kind of taper it in a bit like that, but just ever so slightly. And we can pat over top of it too to get some more pigment. Really want to see that green. Again, you can just kind of tilt your head back. This is great for deep set eyes. And get that shape. Now that we have the depth on both eyes and we're kind of just going out and almost down with this instead of up, it keeps it a little bit cleaner looking, especially with the really dark colors. I'm gonna go into my Makeup by Mario palette and just a flat domed brush. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is M3. And I'm just gonna pat that on the lid. And that's just going to clean up the lid, make everything look more precise. You can even go over top of the green a bit. After you do that, just give it a little wipe on your hand and then go and just pat along the eye. Pat it in that inner part. It's gonna make the lid look bigger and brighter on that inner area where we have a lot of depth. And this eye always works out better than this eye. This eye, it's just, they're different shapes, and this eye always just works out better for me. I'm gonna soften around the green area, so I'm gonna go in with M1, which is kind of a medium light shade. This almost has a little bit of a light peachiness undertone to it. So that'll look nice up on the brow bone. Whoops, I just touched a dark color. Did not mean to do that. And that'll just soften that brow bone. And the warmth looks really nice with that green. Just soften the edges. And if you just want to clean up that crease a little bit, you can go like this. And you can kind of see where you need a little bit of extra color. You can just brush along and just kind of pat. I guess something new happened on Fortnite. I don't know if your kids are into it, but mine are yelling in the background, so if you can hear them, they're just like gaming with their cousins and friends, and it just gets loud when they play. I don't know what to tell you. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker brown tone in the Makeup by Mario palette. It is the shade M7. It's this one right here. It's warm, but it's got a little bit more depth than that first color we went into. I'm going to go in with a domed brush like this, and I'm just going to go underneath my eye. All right, let's go in with some liquid liner. So I did kind of add a little bit more depth with the dark color, and that's the good thing about doing it before. You kind of get the placement, add in your other colors, and you can always keep layering if you want more. So we're just going to put a little liquid liner on the outer end. Just kind of wing it up a bit. That'll just add a little bit more. A little bit more depth to the outer corner. On my cheeks, I'm just gonna go in with my Flesh Balm from Merit Beauty. I have this in the shade Mood, so this is like a nice deep plum shade. So we're gonna pop that on the cheekbones and add some of that nice plum color to the look. Gives you that frosty look to your cheeks, like you're cold from the outside. On my lips, I just went in with a little bit of my signature lip blush from Merit in the shade Du Jour. So this is just adding some natural kind of flush. I just put some mascara on, focused more on the outer parts of my eye just to give that elongated look to the eye. This is the finished makeup look, something a little bit more dramatic for the eyes for Christmas time, but still has the natural colors. Just that pop of forest green is really nice and fun and would look really pretty on any color eye and any shape eye. So this is the final look. I'm going to pop a little clip of how it looks in the natural light, probably more at the beginning of the video, just to give you guys an idea of how this looks in natural lighting as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.